guys, I don't know if you can see over there very well. Beside my bed is all my Reborn stuff because I'm having a roommate move in. She's gonna have half of my closet, and I'm really excited because I really wanted a roommate. We're just gonna be roommates until at this apartment until until we get the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We've like blocked off part of the living room, and it'll be like just like a bedroom, kind of like it's on the opposite side of here, so it's really nice. Put a curtain across, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it gives me a chance to go through all my Reborn stuff. And tomorrow's gonna be really exciting. I'm meeting an Instagrammer. I'm not sure, I don't think she's on YouTube, but she's a Reborn person. And I'm gonna bring Zara. So I think it's late at night, but I think I might go to like Super Target and go get a cute outfit for Zara for her outing. But this video is actually about putting together my little preemie baby that Anna Duffy is the artist of her. Dr. Reborn artist Anna Duffy. And I got polyfill from Walmart finally. It's this cute little head. She's so cute. And Vegan Reborn gave me her. It was so cool. And I didn't get any beads for the body. I didn't think about that. She put some zip tie in here. So I'm happy about that. I forgot all about the little clothes you put in here for her. I think these were the ones. These are all newborn size. I've never put a Reborn together before, but she's already stuffed and weighted in her limbs. Her head isn't, but her head's already pretty heavy. So this should be an interesting process. I'm not an artistic person at all. So it's funny when people ask me, do you make them or do you sell them? I definitely do not. I sell them sometimes, but that's because I bought them from somebody else. How do I get this all the way around the circle? Yeah, I should have stuffed it before I did that, shouldn't I? Okay, well, I know I can do it. I just really gotta stuff the belly and stuff. I know there should be like glass stuff in there, but do what I got for now. Always have somebody help me fix it later. Like, I don't think she should be very super stuffed, really. She seems like a tiny baby. When you put the head on, is this body too big for her? I don't know if it should be stuffed anymore. It's a learning experiment. Put this in backward. I feel like it's supposed to go through the other side. Oh, there we go, yay. Ooh. She's very light, yeah, You're a fat baby. But I just want to put her together. I got her so long ago and I never put her together. I feel bad. Yeah. too tight where I can't move her head. So, I have this adorable outfit. Love this outfit. Looks like a redhead. Now I don't know if I can get under there to cut that. Now take her head off again. Dang it. These ones are showing. You can hide them, but maybe they have to be a certain kind. I don't know. Alright, welcome to our little girl. It's definitely a girl. This is a preemie. So cute. Oh, you need a diaper. I feel like something was missing. Cute. She needs weighted. She moves really easily. Her tiny little head. I think she needs like a little tiny body. But she's cute. She says, hi guys. I don't know if she has a magnet or not. I don't think I even have any magnetic Perseus. Well, maybe that one somewhere. How flexible she is. Her little silicone. She's like, Okay, see you later.